Hey guys, what's good? I'm Keith and here's an easy hack to help you make a homemade face mask using only a bandana and a couple rubber bands. Step 1. Lay the bandana flat, then fold both the top and bottom so they meet in the center. Step 2. Flip over the bandana and again, fold the top and bottom to the center. Step 3. Place a rubber band around each open end of the bandana and move them inward, leaving enough room to put your face between them. Step 4. Fold both bandana arms inward at the rubber bands and place one arm inside the other. Step 5. Place the bandana on your face and then secure the rubber bands around your ears. These are difficult times for all of us, and masks are super important. This hack not only helps to keep you safe, but also the people around you. And that's the juice.